family to yours.
Hey guys, and happy Vlogmas! Welcome back to our channel.
Vlogmas.
Don't mind me, I look all crazy, but oh my goodness, it is an ice storm outside.
I mean, you know what that means?
Like, look guys, look at that.
You know what that means, Mommy?
What does that mean? You're going to school.
No, I'm not going to school.
No. So, yeah, I got up and... You guys, stop it.
Finish.
Yeah, you guys finished my whipped cream. So, hubby's currently gone to work. And, oh my goodness. So, we are planning on putting up Faith. So, I am planning on... putting up the Christmas tree. We're gonna start decorating the house, but your girl has a few assignments I've got to get done. Still waiting to I have some few stuff. I got 2 assignments that I gotta get done. One is pretty much finished. Oh my goodness. First I thought it was snow, and then I heard the things I'm hitting against the window, and then I was like, that is not snow. So, and I am also currently editing. So see, we started decorating. Look, I don't know. I am about to, I got so much stuff that I gotta do right now. And yeah, girl, my hair is crazy, but that's okay. That is okay. I'm not always gonna be all glammed up on here. This is day-to-day life. So yeah, I'm not always going to be glammed up on here, but I am editing right now because you know it is a Vlogmas. So I got to make sure I am pushing out those videos. I am trying to, these kids just come and always be taking over my room. Get out of my room. Out. Oh, out. Okay. So I am currently in bed. So I've pretty much dinner's almost pretty much half done, which is good. I always tend to prep. I prep things from overnight and into the morning, so I have less things to do. Look at this one here. He needs a haircut. Like his hair needs to be cut. Wait, really? So
I never bought you look.
These are so gross. So yeah guys, so I am currently editing because it is Vlogmas. I am trying to make sure that I can, last year I stick to it.
Who just farted?
Who was that? Like really?
That wasn't me.
You guys are disgusting. I'm gonna get out of my room.
Arisa fought. Arisa!
Ew, don't do that fake. You're just gonna rake it up. Oh my lord.
Come back, somebody call that door and turn off the light.
Yeah, so hubby is gone to work. His feet is not fully healed, but hard worker that he feels that regardless of what, he still has to get out there and work. But at the end of the day, if you don't work, nobody's not going to basically pay you, so you got to do what you got to do. When you have bills to pay, then you got to make sure that you're out there and doing what you got to do.
And when you have 6 kids, there's 2 of me, there's 2 of Memphis.
6 kids, your face with 6 kids. But anyways, so I am currently editing a vlog, trying to make sure that I stick with the Vlogmas, and I hope I can find things to do that's creative. I don't want to make Vlogmas boring. I want to make it fun, but if it's too cold out there, there will be some vlogs missing. And if there's not that much to do, just know there will be some vlog missing. So I'm letting you guys know ahead of time, but I am going to try and stick to it as much as possible. So I'm uploading every day. As you know, exam is coming up, so if I don't put up a vlog every day, you just know that I am busy studying, and I gotta make sure I'm focused because your girl gotta get them grades. So yeah, so that is what I will be doing. So I just wanted to come by, and I hope you guys loved the intro. We worked so hard on it, and we had so much fun like doing the intro. So we really hope, because last year I wanted to do an intro, but we didn't had enough time. But I really wanted to try Vlogmas, because last year was our first Vlogmas. And if you guys had not seen our Vlogmas from last year, go check it out. Yeah, it was, I didn't really know what I was doing, but hey, I tried. I still have fun with it, you know, but I enjoyed doing it. It was actually nice, but vlogging can be stressful. Like, just imagine, you're uploading every day. So, but I enjoyed it. And even those times I was still in school, I was doing school, and I still did Vlogmas, came home, edit everything, and upload the video. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas so far. And yeah, it's December, guys. It's December. Every day is Christmas. I'm currently busy working and eating. Totally forgot. I'm cooking dinner. Well, I am cooking dinner. Sorry. Having some banana. I am making some curry chicken. So, in the process of getting dinner cooked. Oh my.
I said spray bottle.
And trying to, we'll put these stuff in the recycling. We got a snowstorm going on, to like an ice storm, to now like a full blown on snowstorm. So yeah, so much for the nice weather. And I was like, yay. Oh, sorry. I was like, yay, it's starting to feel like spring, and now it's back to being cold. The kids, them are cleaning. Yes, because it's cleaning day again. You know me, I can't stand my place a mess. So it's time to clean up. So that is what they're doing. I am cooking. There's not that much to clean anyways, because they did clean the other day. So it's more like light housekeeping is what they're actually doing. So that means when it's actually the full-blown actual cleaning day, it's less to clean and their loads are light. What? So look at this. See? Well done. Continue cleaning. Mommy. Look at your hair. You need a haircut. You're going to get a haircut this week. Yes. Oh my gosh. Going to get a haircut because we got our Christmas party to go to. So definitely got to go. So this one is... Oh, that's all. That's the only reason you want to go to the Christmas party, because you're getting gift. You're disgusting.
I know that there was a bunch of food and I was gonna get money.
Oh, that's nice. Did you hear these kids? Listen to what they're talking about. What they're getting.
But that he's called me
see, I even got my baby. Well, she's not really a baby anymore, but she's my youngest one. So she's considered my baby. She's doing her dishes. She's doing the chores. Memphis, you didn't finish mopping the floor. Who you looking at with those eyes? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So you see, this is what I have to deal with. This craziness. Like, these kids get crazy. So we're thinking about putting up the Christmas tree.
Mommy want to put you.
Usually.
Yeah, we put presents on there.
Usually. My Christmas tree is already up, but we have not put up the Christmas tree as yet. I wanted to be
like on Friday.
I wanted a different theme actually for Christmas this year, but
Mom, I have a question.
I didn't know.
One year, can we actually get like a Christmas tree, fake snow on it?
Blew me out the waters, but at the end of the day, I had God by my side. I have a loving husband that was there for me.
Your 3 adopted children.
Yeah, my 3 adopted children.
You can tell that she's not a real mom. You're adopted.
Yeah, according to them, my 3 adopted children. So, but you know,
we don't look alike. You see this?
How about me?
You guys look alike, but we don't. Go away.
No, we don't.
Me and Rissa don't look alike. People always, oh my god, are you guys sisters? I'm like, yes. Like, oh my gosh, you guys don't look like me.
And then people always say, "Are you a Memphis Twins?"
I'm like, no,
And then
he's
you
the
guys
ugly one, I'm
hate
the
it.
prettier one. Straight up answer. He's the ugliest one.
Faith always said he's the one that came out last. That's why he looks that way. But Memphis is older than her, so I don't know how that would be. Okay, so I am all showered up. Everyone's showered, and we are about to eat dinner. I'm about to dish dinner and eat. And I still have not yet finished my
Mommy, open
assignment. I know I shouldn't have left it to the last minute. Because anytime I leave things to the last minute, then I don't want to do it. But dinner is all done. Got some curry chicken, scrambled, and we are about to go watch Hustle. Hustle. Like, look at that. Like, it is crazy outside. But maybe, just maybe, if there's enough snow, I think I want to maybe go tobogganing. I haven't been tobogganing in a while. It's been years. I think the last time I did tobogganing was with you guys, maybe about, was it about 2-3 years ago.
So light. I just took a shower. I look so light.
They say, look, wash out. Them a bleach. Them a bleach out and skin. Them a bleach. And a brown in here try to look like a whitening.
I'm not bleaching.
And a brown and she trying to look like one whitening.
I'm not bleaching.
Them a bleach.
This is real complexion.
She's so funny. So I'll talk to y'all in the next one, guys. Peace out.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and